The following program has been partially supported by Subculture Sportswear in Uptown Whittier. Welcome to Noise Television. Our in-studio guest today goes by the name of Young and Pissed Off, also known as YAPO. I'm here with James, lead singer of the band. Why don't you introduce everybody or have them introduce each other or whatever you do?
Well, like you said, I'm James. This is Tony, the bass player. Brent, the lead guitar player. I forgot his name. Justin, the other lead guitar player, and our new drummer, Eric.
All right, how long you guys been together?
About 9 years.
9 years. This is your latest addition to the band.
Yeah,
right?
he's
Your
been with
drummer.
us about 3 weeks.
What other bands have you played with as drummer?
YMI and Parallel 13.
How about the rest of the
Never
band?
heard of it.
Have they ever played with anybody else besides Young and Pissed Off?
Nope.
No.
Yeah, he's played in AYK.
Rebellious behavior.
Motorcycle.
No.
I used to be in a band called Dogmans. It's past tense.
Alright! You're laudable! You got the vibe! You live your life! You're by the land, I love you! 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 It's alright! It's alright! It's alright! You got mine! You live your life! You're animal! You put your life, I love you! 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 It's alright! It's alright! It's alright! It's alright! Yeah! Through the system! Yeah!
You guys have a demo out, right?
Yeah.
Who did your demo?
Caesar from Dogma Mundista. And he has like a studio in his house. This was like last December. He had an earthquake, so his equipment got messed up. But before that, he had a cool little studio in his house. And he does a lot of bands. Chaos UK's did in there, and Intoxico from Mexico City. He does a lot of Mexican bands and stuff like that. And we got a hold of him. He's an old friend of ours, and he did it for us for free.
Is that right?
Yeah, so it came out pretty good, but it was we had different lineup back then, and it was like 3 months into us getting together. I was playing bass for like 8 months. He was playing drums for 8 months, and we switched instruments, and we made the demo. And the quality came out good. The music wasn't what we really wanted it to be, so we should be making a new one in about a month with this new lineup.
All right.
Like I still buy into iceberg, and we're out of time forever and ever.
Let's talk about your next song, Someday.
Someday. That's a new song. We just wrote it about 2 weeks ago, and I wish these guys would speak up a little
Well,
bit.
you write all the words, so I don't know
Yeah.
what that song's about.
And that song I wrote it. What the heck's it about? Let me see. I just wrote it, so.
Is it about drinking
Oh, it's,
beer?
no, it's kind of like a youth angst song, you know. Young kid, people telling him what to do and stuff like that. People telling him how to live their lives, you know. And there's the only way you're gonna get through it and do your life is by doing it your own way, you know. You gotta learn the ropes when you're growing up. So.
All right.
Oh yeah, someday we're all gonna die. When I'm sitting here in this fucked up town, boy, I ain't got nothing to do. I'm talking to you and you're talking to me, boy, you think it's black and blue. Well, I don't care what you're telling me, because I heard it all before. And I don't care where I'm going, baby, because I've been here lost no more. Whoa, you're gonna lose your life someday. Whoa, you're gonna lose your life someday. Whoa. My bones are gonna fall out of my bones. understand the things I'm telling you, and I'm gonna run away. Oh, come on, baby, you gotta kiss my ass because you're going someday. Whoa, you're gonna lose your life someday. Whoa, you're gonna lose your life someday. You're gonna lose your life someday. You're gonna lose your I'm gonna run away. Yeah, I've done my life to think I'm sad and I don't really care no more. You got me think I'm already hurt and I don't care really anymore. You got my life to think I don't care no more. And someone's gonna die.
All right, what's your guys' worst concert you ever done?
Worst concert.
I mean, what really went bad?
There was a couple of those, but
That's most of the time.
let me see. We'll have to go back maybe about 8 years.
No, the worst concert was. Oh no, that was a different band.
No, worst concert I think was my backyard party when we first got together
When it rained?
last year. No, we played with
Last
Total
summer.
Chaos in my backyard, and we were just too drunk to play, and we really wanted to impress everybody and do good. And we go up there and play, and we just totally choked. I ended up throwing the bass in the air, saying "screw
Smashing
it."
my drums.
He smashed the drums. You know, people were cheering us on, but we
Only
felt,
because we were fools.
yeah, because
That's what
we
it
felt like
was.
fools.
Not because they locked the music, because we were acting like fools.
Yeah,
Oh, I like
but you
it.
know, we got too drunk and we messed up the show, and we really wanted to impress people that night. We played with Total Chaos, and they did good. They're a real good band. But that's one of my downfalls.
I agree. What do you think, Ted?
I went to a party.
Let's go one except. Yeah! Burn the system! How long do we tolerate the something for the power? And then the other, the fucking slaughter. And I don't care what they say, I'm gonna live my life. I got me, it's just me, you know I'm gonna die. 'Cause I won't let the system, yeah. They die. 1% of the system, yeah. I never walked down the street, I see them every day. I think I'm gonna do something and jump out my way. You want to live and think it as a government of themselves. Because you're gonna fucking die. 'Cause I won't let the system, yeah. They die. 1% of the system, yeah. Through the system. Let out! sun. Cause I want to take a fucking place on you. And then at the level you're better for life. And now in the gap when you know you're gonna die. Just a system, that's all I mean. You find out your level, you fall out with me. Reject everything. I can't live, I can't live in this fucked up system. It's not even right, it's not even right. It's not what won't go right Social system, autonomy, anarchy, peace and equality. Stand up! I won't accept. Won't accept.
Let's get into your next song, Damage Done.
Damage done.
What the hell's that about?
Damage done.
The bad
Oh yeah,
reputation
that's
song.
about all of us when we were young kids. You know, we used to live in cars, live in the streets. You know, because of parent problems and stuff like that. Especially this guy, and it was just all about our youth growing up playing punk rock and growing up in the streets and stuff like that. So I wrote him. But basically, the Damage Done title is because me and this guy used to have bad attitudes. We hurt a lot of people in the old days, and we kind of regret it. You know, in the last couple of years, I've been trying to redeem myself, and it's just like, hey man, it's too late, but you just got to move on. You know, the damage is done, but you got to move on and just keep on trying
People
to be
still hate this guy.
peaceful. Try to be peaceful, you know, because we had bad attitudes when we were kids. Parents used to beat us up. Because his brain's damaged. Gotta go down the street. Take the back to anymore. Not there and the chili man and the desire to go. Motherfucker, fucking out. Boys are really fucking worth it. The people in there and the damage are done, and I don't think it was worth it. Let's go. 'Cause I don't know. Just gotta do it. I don't know. Now I'm looking, back to 84. Bit of my life, and I'm a dead of my life, and I don't really care no more. What the hell are you looking? What the hell are you gonna do it? They don't know. You just gotta do it. I don't know. Screw you.
next song, Yapo.
Yapo. That's just a young.
Self-explanatory.
Yeah, young. It's young and pissed off.
YAPO.
It's a kid like Justin throwing his hand in the air and saying, "Screw the system." He's pissed off.
Smoking crack.
He's just pissed off, and it's just an anti-system song. You know, a young kid pissed off at the system. He says, "Screw it."
All right, here's Young and Pissed Off. Here's Young and Pissed Off singing Yapo.
Yeah.
This one's called YAPO.
Young and pissed off.
You're the good police officer. You're gonna pull up on me. Pissed off! Around in the streets! We're angry motherfuckers! The band on the face! We say fuck the system! And everything is done for! And then I deliver! And then I deliver! Pissed off! We're pissed off! We're pissed off! What a lose! We're something to you. We're waiting revival. Stop the best up. And now we're on the line. What you gonna do? And I'm on the lava. I'm not on the lava. I'm never gonna die. I'm not on the lava. We're pissed off. We're pissed off. I'm pissed off. I wanna use! You're the pissed off! Fall in the street! Angry motherfuckers! We live our future! They stole the system! And everything is done for! Not like your mother! And not like the ground! And they're gonna wake up. Thanks a lot, YAPO. I'm gonna die!
All right, let's talk about your next song, Almighty.
Almighty.
Where the hell is Almighty?
That song, when I sing it, I talk about anarchists and stuff like that, their viewpoints. I believe a lot of the viewpoints, but I have my own, and I kind of question some of their theories and stuff like that. And basically, it's me just questioning some of the things. You know, you say screw the system and stuff like that. You know, in Europe, it's a lot different. Over here, when I say screw the system, I'm talking about like jail system, medical system, stuff like that. You know, personal things that are real local to me, but. You know, I'm down with the anarchy, autonomy, stuff like that, but I just question some of their theories sometimes. That's what that's about.
Almighty! Almighty! Goddamn! Are you an artist? You sent me to deal with all the problems when I don't even deal with myself. But I'm doing hard now. Don't get me wrong, I have my fucking dues to heal. It's in my road, I'm a tolerant because I need you. It's time to be you. It's time to be you. Come on. Sympathy. I understand for the problem. Not what I'm facing, but I can't even get to say that I want. Gotta save myself. The deal. And with the pain I say, it's gonna be a war. It's gonna take a long time. Long time. Lie, 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 lie. And you want a kid? Make me deal with my social problems. I can't do myself, but I'm trying hard to deal with my life. But I lost my mind. But I believe that one gotta lie, 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 it's just the truth. I never been a downfall. In the battle, the mind. You gotta battle your mind. You gotta battle your mind. My life, my life. My life. My life.
The following program has been partially supported by Subculture Sportswear in Uptown Whittier.